Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about my experience making my own toothpaste for the past 4 years. So over this period I've had some trial and error and some issues and solutions. So I want to share that with you guys so that you can avoid some of the mistakes I made and move forward with ease on your journey towards natural toothpaste. So the first time I made natural toothpaste I only used a few ingredients. It was baking soda, coconut oil, and peppermint oil. I found after that though that I actually started losing my enamel, and I'm not sure if it had to do with having used that toothpaste or there were some other different changes I had made in my life, so it could have been something else. But that toothpaste with those ingredients I feel probably wasn't enough for my teeth. And so our teeth are living bones and they need to be receiving certain minerals in them, and what I found was that I was lacking minerals, and that's why I had lost my enamel. Or it could have been that the baking soda maybe was too abrasive for my teeth, I'm not too sure, but I wouldn't recommend using that recipe. What I instead decided to do afterwards was make a remineralizing toothpaste. And so in the remineralizing toothpaste I include more things like calcium carbonate, still using baking soda, also still using the coconut oil and peppermint oil, but I've also added trace minerals. And so those are the two extra ingredients that I added, was the calcium carbonate and trace minerals. And what this does is it actually allows calcium and minerals to go into my teeth. I think. I don't know too much how this works. It may not be going into my teeth from the toothpaste, maybe it's coating my teeth. I'm really not sure, honestly. That would be something maybe to look up or to Google. You guys can let us know in the comments how this works. Why is it possible that brushing your teeth with something like calcium and minerals, how does that actually help remineralize the teeth? I'm not too sure. I don't really know the science around it. I just know that my teeth look good. And where I was losing my enamel, it's now been restored. And so I would really recommend doing that toothpaste recipe. So I'll link that up here and in this video description, and it'll have the ingredients that you need to. That's really the winning recipe, and anytime I run out of what I make from it, well, it usually lasts me quite a few months. Like I'll make one batch of it, and with the recipe that I share with you guys, that one batch probably lasts me 6 to 9 months. I'm not too sure. I think it probably depends a little bit, but yeah, lasts me quite a while. And it does stay hard. So I know some of you wondered, like, how do you make it become more like, you know, when you squeeze a toothpaste tube and it's like sort of like a gel, or it's, I don't know, it's not too hard. Well, with this, the only way to do that is if you're storing it above room temperature. So if you've got a hot place that you're storing it, then it would stay a little bit more liquid, but this is just because of the coconut oil. If it's being stored in a cold environment, it's going to be solid. And so what I do is I take the back of my toothbrush, the part that's plastic and hard, and I kind of scrape it in there, because I keep it in a little glass container, like a kind of like a little jar sort of thing. And so I just use the back of the toothbrush, the plasticky part, and scrape it from there, and then put that in my mouth and kind of swish around the toothpaste, and then I brush my teeth from there. So there's that. I've also been doing oil pulling, so maybe I'll make a separate video, and once it's done I'll link it up here for you guys on my experience with oil pulling. Oil pulling is something I've been doing now for probably 6 years or so, and it's essentially just swishing around coconut oil in your mouth and spitting it out, and I feel like that has probably really helped for my oral health care too. I haven't had issues at the dentist other than when I was using that first recipe and I had lost some of my enamel. That was an issue, but with the second recipe I was able to completely restore my enamel, and I'll link a video for you guys up here and in this video description on my experience and journey with restoring my enamel. It was pretty simple for me, and it was mostly because of that remineralizing toothpaste. So I'd really recommend using that one if you are thinking of making your own toothpaste. And if you are and you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or if you have been using the toothpaste that I've been making and that I had been sharing the recipe with you guys a few years ago, let me know too. I'd love to know who out there is using this recipe too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or anything you want to share with me, and subscribe if you haven't already. and I'll see you guys next time. May you be happy, healthy, and free. Bye.